In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit payroll taxes in QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for a larger company, understanding how to efficiently handle payroll taxes is crucial. Let's dive in so we can make this process as smooth as possible for you. First, let's start by signing into QuickBooks. Navigate to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. Once there, you'll be prompted to select the version of QuickBooks you're using. In this case, choose QuickBooks Online. Now, enter your credentials. This would be your user ID and password, and sign in. It's important to ensure your login details are accurate to avoid any delays in accessing the necessary features. Once you're logged in, it's time to head over to the Taxes tab. You can find this option by navigating to the menu on the left side of your QuickBooks dashboard, then clicking on Taxes. This is where you'll handle everything related to taxes, so it's a good idea to become familiar with this section. Now, click on Sales Tax. You'll see this near the top of your screen after you click on the Taxes tab. This area is crucial for viewing and managing all your tax-related details, including the amounts you owe and any upcoming deadlines. Knowing where to find this information will help you stay organized and avoid any last-minute rushes. Next, look towards the top right corner and click on Sales Tax Settings. This is where you adjust any settings related to your sales tax, ensuring everything is configured correctly for your specific business needs. It's always a good idea to review these settings periodically to confirm they align with the latest tax rules and your own business operations. On the right side of the Sales Tax Settings page, you'll see a drop-down menu beside the Edit option. Click on this drop-down, which will present you with a couple of additional actions you can take. Here, click on Make Active. This step is essential to ensure the accurate processing of your sales tax information, enabling QuickBooks to automatically apply the correct rates to your transactions and generate relevant reports. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of submitting payroll taxes in QuickBooks. Always remember to double-check your entries for accuracy and completeness to avoid any errors that might complicate your reporting. Utilizing these QuickBooks features effectively can save you time and streamline your financial processes, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore more detailed guides or reach out for professional advice tailored to your specific circumstances. See you next time.